Hi there, welcome, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to install Python on your device, specifically pertaining your laptop or your PC. Now, as you can see here, I'm currently on the landing page of Python. This is the landing page where you can download the application. As you can see here, download Python 3.11.4. This is the link. It's going to be www.python.org/downloads. Now, in some rare cases, you can't access this link once you copy it. Just go back to any Google search result right here. Just type in Python. Give it a second here. Python download. And the very first result should be the one right there. Should leave you back to the landing page of Python. Okay? So once you're here, just make sure clicking on this button, download Python 3.11.4. And there you go. You're going to have your APK or .exe file ready to install. Just click on Run. Now, before you install, I hope you stayed until this part of the video because there should be a little ticking over here that you need to make sure you customize. So first things first, please tick this one. It's going to be add python.exe to path. This is a very important part when installing Python, so you don't have any problem in the future once you're coding. Now, do not click install now just yet. Go back here, click on installation. Make sure that pip py and python testsuite is properly ticked, because there are some cases that pip, python, and pylancer are not properly ticked, or in some other cases only pip is not properly ticked. Make sure pip is installed, click next. Of course, again, click on install Python for all users. That's going to make sure you're going have no problem. Click download debugging symbols and click on install. Click yes for the installation to begin. Now, it should take around a minute or two. It depends on your solid state drive if it's good or not. Now Python is currently installed. Let's wait for it for a few seconds and give it, I think, most likely 2 minutes, the safe way here. Now, once it's properly done here, once it's just finished installing, make sure that your antivirus is off, okay? Before you start installing, make sure your antivirus is off. And then once finished, that should be it. Wait for my next video. I am gonna talk about a little bit more regarding Python, especially on the NumPy code or NumPy application or NumPy extraction packages. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and that's how you install Python for your devices. Thank you for watching, guys.